Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that plagues many organizations, data governance. You know, that thing everyone says is crucial, but often ends up as a bureaucratic nightmare. Yeah, we've all been there. So why do so many data governance implementations fail? Is it a lack of tools, bad training, or is there something more fundamental at play? The truth is, many organizations are fundamentally misunderstanding the nature of data governance. They're treating it like a sustaining innovation, when in reality, it's often a disruptive one. Let's break it down. Sustaining innovations, they improve existing products for current customers. Think incremental updates. Disruptive innovations, they introduce simpler, often cheaper solutions that shake things up. Now, most organizations approach data governance as a sustaining innovation. They think, let's just tweak our existing data management, improve quality a bit, and make sure we're compliant. This leads to top-down control, a focus on risk, and just adding layers on top of existing systems. But here's the problem. This sustaining approach often fails because it ignores the deep-rooted issues holding back effective data use. It just adds complexity without creating real value. The reality is, effective data governance is often disruptive. It demands significant changes in culture, processes, technology, and even roles. Think about it. Breaking down data silos, changing how people think about data ownership, implementing new tools. That's not just a minor tweak, that's a fundamental shift. When organizations fail to recognize this disruptive nature, they try to fit it into their existing structures, leading to resistance, low adoption, and ultimately, failure. Here are a few key strategies. Start small and iterate. Don't try to boil the ocean. Begin with a pilot project in a specific area. Learn, adapt, and scale. Empower business users. Involve them in the design and implementation. Make it relevant to their work. Focus on value creation. Show the benefits. Improve decision-making, increased efficiency, new opportunities. Build a heavyweight team. Create a dedicated cross-functional team to drive the change, like general managers for your data. By recognizing data governance as a potentially disruptive force and adopting an agile, business-focused approach, you can unlock the true value of your data. Ignoring this disruptive nature, while you're just setting yourself up for another failed data governance project. Want to learn more? Visit our website and subscribe to our blog. What are your experiences with data governance? Have you seen the disruptive side? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights on data and technology.